Hello student. Previous video we saw exercise 5.3 question number 4, 5, 6. So please share and subscribe and watch that video. Now we'll continue exercise 5.3 question number 7, 8 and 9. So question number 7, find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP in which D equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So in this word problem we have to see what is the given. So D equal to 7 and first 22 terms an AP. So is 14 here. First 22 terms of an AP in which D equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. So A22 equal to 149. So what we have to find out? Find the sum of the first 22 terms. So here D is given, D equal to 7, A22 149 is given. So we have the formula, and consider the first term A. We have the formula AN equal to A plus N minus 1 bracket complete into D. Actually what they asked here, find the sum of first 22 terms. Sum means Sn we have to find out, means S22. But here A22 is given 149. So we have to use first this formula. D is given, so we will get the A, and from that A we can find out Sn. So An equal to formula is given, so A22 equal to A plus 22 minus 1 bracket complete into 7. So A22 is 149 equal to A plus 22 minus 1 21 into 7, and their multiplication is 147, A as it is. So what is the here 129 minus this 147 plus 47 is there, coming this side, transposing these sides become minus equal to A, and 149 minus 147 equal to 2 equal to A equal to 2, means now Sn equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus in small bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into D. Now see here, n we know, a we know, and D we know, so we can find out the S22 sum of the 22 terms. So n is 22 upon 2, then in bracket 2 into 2, a we got, just now we got the 2, so 2a means 2 into 2 plus 22 minus 1 into 7, 2 into 2 4, then 22 minus 1 21 into 7, keep bracket as it is, and this 22 upon 2 is 11, so 11 write it, so 11 in bracket 4 plus 21 into 7. So we have to solve this bracket first. So multiplication we have to do multiplication or division is that we have to do first, then addition, subtraction, whatever it is, then 21 into 7 is equal to 147, and 4 as it is, so 4 plus 147 is 151. So 11 in bracket 151 in bracket means its multiplication 11 into 151. So only multiplication you have to do, very simple. See, 11 ones are 11, 1 is here, 1 is carry, so 11 5s are 55, 1 this 56, 6 is here, 5 is carry again, 11 ones are 11, 11 plus 5 16. So 1661 is sum of the first 22 terms. Now question number 8, find the sum of first 21 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Very simple. Here what is the given that we have to write, and what they ask, find the sum of the first 51 terms. So whatever it is given, with the help of that we can easily find out. Here second and third terms are given, so second term means A2 equal to 14 and third term means A3 equal to 18. So D also you can find out, so A3 minus A2, so 18 minus 14 equal to 4 means it is D. We have to find out Sn, so An equal to n upon 2 A plus n minus 1 bracket complete, and D is given. Okay, so this is the A, we have to write A, so A plus n minus 1 bracket complete into D. So here a2 equal to n is 2, 2 upon 2, in bracket a as it is, plus n is 2 minus 1, in d is 4. So a2 is 14, we know that it is given, equal to 2 upon 2 means 1. Again this a as it is, plus 2 minus 1, 1, and multiply by 4. So 14 equal to a plus 1 multiply means no change. So this bracket will come as it a plus 4. This 4 we have to transfer this side. So it's 14 minus 4 equal to a, 10 equal to a equal to 10. Then sum of the first 51 terms of AP. So formula you know that S51, then formula put the value in formula S51, n is 51 upon 2. 2 into a is 10. So 2 into 10 plus n is 51 minus 1. D is 4 into 4. 51 upon 2 as it is. 2 into 10, 20 right here, plus as it is. 51 minus 50 into 4. So 51 upon 2, 20 as it is, plus 50 into 4. 5 4s are 20, 0 as it is means 200. Addition is 220 right as it is. So 51 upon 2 into, remove the bracket now, into 220. So by this 2 upon 2 is there, so you can divide this 220. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 ones are 2 means 11, and 0 keep as it is. Okay, so 51 into 11, 110. So 51 into 11 you can do, 0 you have to keep as it is. See, so 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 5, and that here directly by 11 also you can do. 11 ones are 11, 1 is here, 1 is carry, 11 5s are 55, this plus 1 56. So 5610. Now question number 9. If the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term is 289, find the sum of the first n terms. So see what is the given sum of the first 7 term. Okay, means S7 is given, that is the 49, and here we'll see, consider first term A and common difference D. The sum of the first terms is 49 means S7. So S7 is given, S is given. So you have to use this formula. N is 7 upon 2. 2 into A is as it is, and 7 minus 1. So 6D. Okay. So keep 49 as it is, equal to 7 upon 2 into, now these 2a plus 6d different terms are there, so we can't add. So this bracket we can't remove. So but we have to remove the bracket, but we can't add. Previously only number was there, so we can add. So what we have to do, this 7 upon 2 is multiplying each term, means 7 upon 2 into 2a plus 7 upon 2 into 6d. By this 2 you can divide, 2 ones are 2 means 7 into a, 7a, 7 into 3, 21d. See here 49 equal to 7a plus 20. So arrange properly or rearranging this equation, 7a plus 21d equal to 49. So each number can divide by 7. So dividing by 7, if you are dividing by 7 you will get a. 21d divided by 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are means 3d equal to 7. Sum of the first 17 term is 229. So here what is the given? See here 7 terms, so we solved, we got one equation. Now 17 terms is given 289, so we can solve again like this way. So we'll get the second equation and then we can find out. See, S17 equal to 289, so Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 bracket complete into d. So 289 is given Sn, so n is 17 upon 2, 2a as it is, plus 17 minus 1 means 16d. Here you have to write. So here again same way, 2a and 16d we can't add, so again same way you have to multiply outside the bracket. 17 upon 2 is there, This 17 upon 2 multiplying each term means 17 upon 2 into 2a plus sign as it is. 17 upon 2 again into multiplied by 6d. By this 2 you can divide 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. So means 17a you will get plus as it is. And here 2 1s are 2, 16 is there. Divided by 2 means it's become 8. 17 into 8d. So 289 equal to 17a plus 136d. See, these all numbers are divisible by 17. So you can reduce this equation. Dividing by 17, you will get the little less smaller numbers if you are dividing. Like this way also you can solve. But here you will get the very big multiplication, then elimination method. So make it easy. If you are dividing by 17, then you will get 289 divided by 17 is 17 equal to 17a upon 17 means a will remain, and 136 divided by 17 means 17 8s are 136, so 8d. A plus 8d minus 17 equal to 0. So subtract equation 2 from 1. So 2, first we have to write a, first equation a plus 3d equal to 7, and second equation a plus 8d equal to 7. Subtraction, so second number sign you have to change. Minus, here plus is there, so minus, and plus is there, so minus. So a and plus a and minus a will get eliminated. Minus 5d and plus 3d means subtraction. Bigger number sign you have to give. 8 minus 3 means 5, and bigger number sign 5d equal to minus 17 plus 7. Bigger number sign, again here subtraction. 17 minus 17, so minus 10. Minus minus plus 5d equal to 10. D equal to 10 upon 5. So d equal to 2. Putting d equal to 2 in equation 1. So a plus 3d equal to 7. Then a plus d's value is 2, 3 into 2 equal to 7. A plus 6, 3 into 2, 6 equal to 7. A equal to 7 minus 6, a equal to 1. So now sum of the first n terms. So Sn equal to n upon 2. Here is sum of the first n terms. So n as it is n upon 2. They asked here question. Find the sum of the first n terms. 2a plus n minus 1 into bracket complete into d. 2n as it is. A value you know that 2 into 1. N minus 1 into 2. So n upon 2. This 2 into 1, 2 plus as it is. Now by this 2 you have to multiply whole bracket 2 into n, 2n minus sign as it is, and 1 into 2, 2. This plus 2 and minus 2 will get eliminated, means its addition will come 0. So only 2n will remain. N upon 2. N upon 2 into 2n. So 2 1s are 2, 2 n's. So n into n. Sn equal to n square. They asked here question, see. Find the sum of the first n terms. So we use sum for the sum of the first term. This formula is there. We are getting answer Sn equal to n